In this session, we will talk about the capabilities of a worksheet. So this entire sheet with n number of worksheets, this entire book is called workbook, but this single tab is called a worksheet. So what all we can do with a worksheet? So when we right click on it, we can insert a new one. We say OK, and new sheet is added here. This is how to add a new sheet. We can right click on rename. We can rename it like we are renaming it with name Bharti. Okay. Another option, when you right click on it, we have tab color. So we can choose any color and it would be the color of this sheet, worksheet, which is called tab color. Apart from that, there are two options you can see, move or copy. So what is this option? When you click on it, this opens up a window. So this upper section is for the movement of sheets. When we click on this button, this checkbox, it will create a copy. So let's understand the movement of sheet first. So whatever sheet you have opened, right, the sheet Bharti, for example. So what will happen when we choose move to end and OK, the sheet will move to end. When we go again on the same section, and there are options like make a copy where okay, what happened before we look up, go again. Now this time select paste special and now see what happens and say okay. So this sheet is coming before paste special. So you can see this thing before sheet. So whichever sheet you select before that sheet, this current sheet will move. So this is the movement of sheet. In case we are clicking on create a copy, we are in Bharti sheet, we click OK, it will create a copy of this sheet Bharti. So this is how you can copy and move a worksheet, right? Apart from that, in case now we have two sheets with this name, we can right click and delete. It will delete this worksheet. So this is how it behaves. These all are the capabilities, basic capabilities, which you need to use and practice. Apart from that, there is nothing you can do. One more option, hide. When you click on it, so this sheet has been hidden. You cannot find it in this entire worksheet tab. So right click any tab, click on unhide. It will give you the list of the sheets which have been hidden. Click on that sheet and say okay, it will come back. So these all are the capabilities, basic capabilities of a worksheet which you need to understand basic Excel.